Hi, it's Jen with Cherry Tree Beads, and today I'm going to show you how to make these paddle and oval hoop Prehnite brass earrings. So first of all, we're going to want to attach these two pieces together, and we're going to do so with a 22 gauge stainless wire. So I'm going to go down about this far on the wire, maybe about an inch, and I'm going to bend the wire at a 90-degree angle. Then I'm going to go back in and bend it around and make a loop. Then I'm going to attach the brass pieces at the bottom, my paddle and my oval hoop. And I'm going to take my pliers and hold it in the loop and coil that back around. And then I'm going to clip off the excess. Next, I'm going to add on my Prehnite bead. And then I'm going to take my pliers and I'm going to put it right up against the bead. I'm going to bend the wire to create a 90-degree angle. I'm going to put my pliers in there, bend it around and make a loop. And I'm going to hold it at the top and coil it back around until it meets the bead. And I'm going to clip off the excess wire. And I'm going to add the ear wire. I'm just going to twist that open. Add the loop on there. Close it back into place. And then you have a pair of earrings. All the supplies can be found at cherrytreebeads.com. Thanks so much for watching.